Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss about the derivative of exponential function. Exponential function is always represented with the help of e. Y is equals to e to power x. Slightly change in y plus delta y is equals to e to power x plus delta x. Now subtract equation 1 from 2. You will left with the delta y and e to power x plus delta x minus e to power x. Among these two, e to power x are common. Now divide the by delta x, we will get e to power x, e to power delta x minus 1 upon delta x. Apply limit to both sides, delta x tends to 0. This is converted into dy by dx. It is e to power x and e to power delta x minus 1 upon delta x, that is equals to 1 because it is equals to log of e and having a base e. So these two having the same value, its result is equals to 1 as we study in class 11th. Similarly, we find out the derivative of a to power x. Again, y plus delta y, same changes, and after that subtraction, a to power x is common, divide by delta x both side, a to power x. Again we apply the limit here, delta x, a to power delta x minus 1 upon delta x, and delta x tends to 0. This result is equals to log a because a is represent a constant value. E is represent an exponential function. In case of exponential function, these two values are exactly same. Due to that, result is 1. But in case of a, these two values are not same. So result is not equals to 1. So derivative of a to power x is equals to a to power x into log a, and derivative of e to power x is equals to e to power x as it is. Now one more function, log x. Y is equals to log x, y plus delta y is equals to log of x plus delta x. Again subtract equation number 1 from the equation number 2. After that we apply the property on log m minus log m upon n. So x plus delta x upon x. Now divide with this x separately, x upon x, it is equals to 1, delta x upon x. Again dividing both side by delta x and then apply the limit. In this case, before limit we multiply and divide by the x, because in case of log a property is there, 1 plus x upon x, then this result is equals to 1. So we multiply and divide by x both side. Now log of 1 plus delta x upon x, limit x tends to 0 is equals to 1. So your answer is 1 by x. So derivative of log is equals to 1 by x because this property makes the result 1. So derivative of log x is equals to 1 by x. Now here are the property which already discussed by us in class 11th. Property log of m into n, log m plus log n, log m upon n, log m minus log n, log m to power n is equals to n log m. Log of m plus n is not equals to log m plus log n. Remember, it is plus and it is product. In case of product, they are break, but in case of addition, this property will not exist. Now, let us discuss with one example. Y is equals to e to power 2x, log of sin x, cos inverse e to power x. So I collect all the function in one question, e to power x derivative as it is, and after that derivative of 2x, that is equals to 2. Derivative of log 1 upon sin x, then derivative of sin x, that is cos x. Derivative of cos inverse x, 1 upon 1 minus x square with negative, and after that derivative of e to power x. So 1 upon 1 minus e to power 2x and derivative of e to power x, e to power x. Thank you.